So what's up, guys? Merry Christmas to you all. You understand? Today is 26th of December. So but then I'm done trading for the year. You understand? So I'm about to give you guys the last two trades, the trade recap of the last two trades that I took. You understand? So my screen is one of them. So actually, this first one here was supposed to be a win. At least we'll cover at least 1:2, which is our take partials. Do you understand? But then I wasn't here, so let's start on what I did on the analysis. So there was another block here. I think it was on the 2 hours time frame. Let's see. Okay, yes. So this other block here, so I was expecting it to hold price, but when price got there, I see that market broke it, you understand? So I wasn't on the chart to take advantage of it, but then give us a break of structure here to the downside. Wait, just feel like this chart is crowded. Let me take out all these things first. Let's start again. So back to 2 hours. So this was the other block I was expecting to hold price back from 2 hours. So as you can see, market broke it. So on the 30-minute time frame here, you can see give us a break of structure to the downside, showing that it might want to still push down. You understand? So this was the break of structure. So the other block that caused it, which is this one here. As you can see, next to it is a very wide fair value gap and a single candlestick inducement right here. But then I wasn't active. I don't know. I did the analysis, so like I didn't know when it got here. You understand? But as you can see on the 30 minutes, actually it also gave us a bearish engulfing, which is, look at the candlestick that triggered the other block. The next one closed right below it. But then it is more obvious on the 15-minute time frame. This was it on the 15-minute time frame. So you can see how wide, how long the candlestick was. So if I had like been active, I would have taken this sell from here. My stop loss somewhere here, a little bit above that point, and aiming for 1:4. And somewhere here. So we wouldn't have done full TP though, but then 1:2 would have been secured, you understand? Our first chart would have been secured. But then I was nowhere to be found. I don't know why I was. Okay. What happened that day was I was like, maybe I should just, stop trading for the year, stuff like that. So I was contemplating if I should stop trading for the year, or maybe I should just take this last one. But then I said, let me just stop. So when I came back, I found out that this thing is going out as I planned. I was pissed off, so I have to reanalyze, and I did this one, the most recent break of structure. So this is on the 1 hour chart here. So this was the most recent break of structure, BOS. Let me remove this one. We are done there. So the other block that caused it, which was this one, it's very large other block here, and as you can see, it has a fair value gap and a candle wick inducement. So when market got there, also I went down sharply on the 15-minute time frame. This one gave us a bearish engulfing without wasting any of our time right here. So I sold from this point here, which I did, like I took this trade on the 24th with my stop loss somewhere here. So going for 1/4 down this side. So when market started playing here, when it started playing and got to this point, I was consolidating. That was on 24th afternoon. Let me see, evening/night. As I was now like, I don't think maybe market have closed for the year. You understand? Being that this is actually forex, is not crypto. That means like BTC. I know BTC doesn't close. You understand? So I have to take it off, and the spread was too wide. Yeah. And I wasn't able to make anything from it. I was like, I made about, I think, $4 or $5 thereabouts. But then it's still something though. It's still something. So I took it off somewhere here. You understand? Saving me from even this loss here. So that is it for CHF, and I did another one on BTC. I took a trade on BTC. This one, which ended up being a loss. So as you can see from my analysis here, you already know what I did. But what I failed to confirm was that this did not completely give us a break of structure here. So as you can see, I'm up at my break of structure, but then this did not completely give us a break of structure. I don't know, I was too blind to see this thing, guy. It did not completely give us a break of structure. I don't know the time frame I was watching. Okay, it gave us a break of structure on the 1 hour. Okay, yeah. It gave us a break of structure on the 1 hour time frame. So you can see that other block, I mapped it out. When market got there, I went down to 15 minutes time frame. Let me take this thing out so that you guys will see where I entered from. So this was basically the other block here. So when market came in, tapped in with the wick, and after that gave us an engulfing candlestick. So I took my sell from here. My stop loss here, and I went for 1/4 as usual. 1/4 somewhere there. And as you can see, without even wasting much of my time, trade just went straight to a sell. So but then I'm glad I was like, I closed. Let me show you guys what happened. So when you got here to almost my XL, this candlestick here, let me zoom in so that you guys can see clearly. So this candlestick was a candlestick that was supposed to stop me out, right? So when it pulled up almost my XL, I think like it's not even up to 1 pip to my XL, as you can see here. Then it pushed down. When it was pulling down to somewhere here, I have to close, you understand? Saving me from that huge loss. I lost only $10 here. So that is basically it for this one. That is just it for this one. So we'll start trading again maybe second week of January. We are done for this year. We've concluded this year. So let's go and journal it. Let's journal it. So actually let's just approximate it to maybe probably, since the loss is higher than the win, let's just approximate it to loss. So let's just journal it once. So on 24th, our balance was, let me see, our balance was 590. So we took a shot on BTC USD. Shot 0.0, I think 1 to the loss. So we'll do 10 minus 4 because I made $4 out of that one. So probably 6. We lost 6. So we'll add 2 minus 6. I have 50. 84. And for the chart, let's screenshot it. And just like that, we've journaled it. So basically this year was not really that bad year compared to last year. You understand? I think last year I did about negative almost 5k, like solid from real cash. You understand? $5,000. I did negative about $5,000 because it was last year that was the year. Like I started trading new, so I put everything I got into it. You understand? I was basically about 5,000 and just like 4-5k, but this year I did an amazing job. You understand? I kept my risk lower, so was able to do. I think this year we did about, like, I don't have a place where I'm writing it down, which is something I'm going to start working on. You understand? Starting from next year. Understand? Going to work on something like, please let me see, we start this year with so capital, stuff like that. But then from my head, I know I didn't lose about up to like $500 this year, even though this year ended up being kind of negative. You understand? But then we're still up in profits. Understand? $84 in profits. So it's basically a win-win. So next year, I hope next year is going to be better than this year. Not I hope, I know. I know next year is going to be better than this year, because I'm going to, double down, my house and everything. So that is basically it for this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the share button. You understand? See you on my next video. Thank you.